If you woke up and the power was out, could you feed your family breakfast? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? These fluffy, sweet, delicious cranberry orange muffins are sure to put a smile on anyone's face, even if the power's down, and the internet too. Yes, it's a prepper meal, but perfect for any busy morning, and they will actually last a week if stored properly. See my other video on that. And just like all my recipes, everything is straight from the pantry and nothing is from the fridge. Now I'm sure you've heard to stock up on beans and rice to feed your family in emergencies. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1, and I'm going to help you get your pantry stocked. Starting with these sweet, delicious cranberry orange muffins. They are my breakfast cheat code, but I have to tell you a secret. You could buy the ingredients for this whole meal, store it away for a year in Mylar bags, and it would be just as delicious as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They are quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergency, power outage, or heaven forbid, another global pandemic where those grocery store lines wrapped all the way around the store. Now let me show you how to make these soft, fluffy, apocalypse-proof cranberry orange muffins straight from your pantry. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2, no hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again for tomorrow or 30 years from now. These get your kid out of bed early because they smell so good. Cranberry orange muffins are a family favorite. This is everything you'll need. Cranberry orange muffin mix, olive oil, egg powder, my prepper hack, water and cooking spray, and a stovetop oven if you truly are out of power. I'm going to be honest, these muffins are from the box, but with my hack, you probably never thought of powdered eggs. It's hard to make muffins without eggs, especially with no power and no refrigerator, and that's why I love these powdered eggs. They're shelf stable, ready to go whenever you need them. So we'll start with combining the muffin mix, egg powder, water for egg powder, and water for the mix, and oil in a bowl. Next, we'll fold in the cranberries, mix it all together. Let your batter sit and activate for about 5 minutes. Preheat your oven or start your stovetop oven on medium-high and let it preheat to 400 degrees. Spray your muffin pan or use liners. Fill the batter about 3/4 full in our muffin tins and let it cook for about 14 to 22 minutes. Once they are golden brown, they are ready. The result, warm, sweet, fluffy cranberry orange muffins, perfect, filling, and ready to go. Recipe below. Even when the power goes out, you have to try this recipe for an easy, sweet breakfast, but also while you're online ordering your groceries, grab an extra box for a rainy day. Stored right, they can last a year. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals. Follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. Use our online grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Just pick your meals. We'll calculate everything you need and add it straight to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Just click and go. Never worry about dinner again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.